When it comes to blending Swiss craftsmanship with modern design, few brands do it better than Mido. In 2025, Mido continues to impress watch lovers with stunning timepieces that balance elegance, precision, and everyday wearability. Whether you're after a bold statement watch or a refined piece for daily use, this list has you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 10 Mido watches of 2025, each one guaranteed to transform your look and elevate your style this year. Number 10, Ocean Star Worldtimer Automatic. The Mido Ocean Star Worldtimer Automatic is a symbol of adventure, designed for the man who refuses to be limited by borders. Its standout feature is the Worldtimer complication, a function that allows travelers and professionals to keep track of multiple time zones with effortless precision. Crafted with a stainless steel case and rotating bezel, it carries the rugged DNA of a diver's watch, but with the refinement of a global traveler's companion. The bold dial, enhanced with luminous markers and hands, guarantees readability whether you're in deep waters or navigating city streets at night. Inside beats a reliable automatic movement, a testament to Mido's Swiss mastery of horology, offering accuracy and endurance. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating ensures clarity, while water resistance makes it a trustworthy ally for aquatic adventures. Its bracelet is solid yet comfortable, giving off a masculine elegance that complements its functionality. What makes this watch special is its duality. It is equally at home on the wrist of a businessman closing deals across continents as it is on a diver exploring coral reefs. This is a tool watch that doesn't compromise on style, embodying the perfect balance of utility and luxury. For men who thrive on adventure and demand sophistication, the Ocean Star Worldtimer Automatic is more than a timepiece. It's a lifestyle statement, a reminder that the world is yours to explore. Number 9, Star Decompression Worldtimer Automatic. The Mido Star Decompression Worldtimer Automatic is a breathtaking fusion of vintage soul and modern watchmaking brilliance. Inspired by the iconic dive watches of the 1960s, it revives the legendary decompression scale with vibrant retro colors, making it instantly recognizable and unapologetically bold. Beyond its nostalgic aesthetic lies modern innovation, as the Worldtimer complication lets globetrotters track multiple zones at a glance. Its stainless steel case is sturdy and resilient, designed to handle the pressures of underwater use while maintaining a striking appearance on land. The domed sapphire crystal reinforces its vintage vibe while ensuring scratch resistance and clarity. On the dial, luminous indices and hands offer readability in low light, while the colorful decompression chart adds a playful yet technical character. The automatic Swiss movement powers it with precision and reliability, delivering performance to match its beauty. The bracelet is engineered for comfort and strength, complementing its adventurous DNA. Water resistance guarantees functionality for divers, yet its charm extends far beyond the ocean. The Star Decompression Worldtimer Automatic is for men who appreciate history, storytelling, and individuality in their watches. It isn't just about telling the time, it's about carrying a piece of horological heritage with a modern twist. For those who crave something distinctive, this is a watch that makes a statement every time it's worn. Number 8. Multifort GMT Automatic. The Mido Multifort GMT Automatic is the definition of modern versatility, built for men who lead dynamic international lifestyles. At its core is the GMT complication, allowing seamless tracking of a second time zone, a function especially valuable for frequent travelers or professionals coordinating across borders. The dial design is sleek and uncluttered, with a dedicated GMT hand and subtle markers that keep information clear without sacrificing elegance. Its stainless steel case is robust yet refined, featuring polished and brushed surfaces that reflect Mido's attention to detail. Sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating ensures legibility in any environment, while luminous indices and hands guarantee visibility in low light. Powered by a Swiss automatic movement, it delivers accuracy and endurance expected of a luxury timepiece. The bracelet provides both durability and comfort, completing its modern yet timeless design. While its practicality is undeniable, this watch is equally about style, making it suitable for formal settings, casual weekends, and everything in between. It embodies the spirit of the Multifort collection: strong, reliable, and sophisticated. This is the watch for men who want a companion that adapts to their lifestyle without compromise. With the multi-Ford GMT automatic, you carry both precision engineering and refined aesthetics, a powerful combination that ensures you're always on time, no matter where life takes you. Number 7, Commander 2 Automatic. The Mido Commander ZTT Automatic is a watch steeped in tradition yet refreshed with a contemporary edge. Its design philosophy is rooted in timeless elegance, offering a versatile piece that seamlessly adapts to different occasions. The stainless steel case paired with its integrated bracelet creates a streamlined, cohesive look that radiates refinement. The dial is minimalist and uncluttered, featuring slim markers, luminous hands, and a date window for everyday practicality. A sapphire crystal ensures durability and clarity, guarding against scratches and daily wear. Inside, the automatic movement keeps precise time, delivering the mechanical excellence for which Swiss craftsmanship is revered. While it carries water resistance for added peace of mind, its real strength lies in its understated beauty. The Commander 2 is not flashy, it's sophisticated, letting its elegance speak for itself. The bracelet ensures a comfortable fit, making it a perfect daily companion whether in a boardroom, a dinner, or a casual setting. What makes this watch appealing is its ability to honor heritage while remaining modern, offering a design that will never feel outdated. It's a true gentleman's watch, confident, polished, and reliable. The Commander 2 Automatic represents subtle luxury, a watch for men who understand that true style doesn't shout but whispers with authority and grace. Number 6, Multi-Ford Automatic Chronograph. The Mido Multi-Ford Automatic Chronograph is the ultimate companion for men who demand precision, performance, and presence. Its chronograph complication elevates it beyond a standard watch, offering stopwatch functionality for those who value utility alongside elegance. The dial is complex yet thoughtfully designed, with subdials that are easy to read and details that highlight its technical prowess. A stainless steel case gives it durability and a bold masculine profile, while chronograph pushers add functionality without compromising style. The tachymeter scale further enhances its sporty DNA, appealing to enthusiasts of motorsports and high-performance lifestyles. Inside, an automatic movement ensures accuracy and mechanical reliability, a testament to Mido's commitment to excellence. The sapphire crystal protects the dial while keeping it crystal clear, and luminous hands and markers guarantee readability in every condition. Water resistance expands its versatility, making it ready for both adventures and daily use. The bracelet is sturdy yet comfortable, ensuring a secure fit for active lifestyles. This watch is all about balance. It's rugged and practical, yet refined enough to complement a suit. It represents strength, confidence, and precision, appealing to men who live life at full speed. The Multi-Ford Automatic Chronograph is more than a timepiece. It's a bold declaration that performance and style can coexist in perfect harmony. Number 5, Commander Gradient Automatic. The Mido Commander Gradient Automatic is a striking reinterpretation of the classic Commander design, distinguished by its unique gradient dial. The dial gradually transitions from dark at the edges to light in the center, creating a mesmerizing effect that adds depth and character. Paired with slender indices and luminous hands, it's both visually dynamic and practical, offering clear readability in all conditions. The stainless steel case and bracelet bring timeless durability, with polished and brushed finishes that showcase Mido's meticulous craftsmanship. Sapphire crystal ensures resilience against scratches while maintaining dial clarity. At its heart is an automatic movement, providing accuracy and the reliable performance expected of Swiss engineering. The design is both contemporary and classic, making it suitable for any occasion from business meetings to casual weekends. Water resistance enhances its practicality, while the bracelet ensures day-long comfort. The Commander Gradient is for men who appreciate bold design elements without sacrificing elegance. It's not just about telling time, it's about making a statement, showing a personality that values both tradition and modern creativity. With its standout dial and classic silhouette, the Commander Gradient Automatic embodies refined style and individuality, perfect for the man who wants a watch that reflects both confidence and sophistication. Number 4, Baroncelli Heritage Gent Automatic. The Mido Baroncelli Heritage Gent Automatic is a celebration of elegance and tradition, crafted for men who value refinement above all. Inspired by classical architecture, its design emphasizes balance, symmetry, and timeless aesthetics. The case is slim and polished, offering understated sophistication that makes it perfect for formal wear. Its dial is minimalist and elegant, with slender hands, subtle markers, and a discreet date window that enhance readability without clutter. A sapphire crystal ensures protection while showcasing the dial's clarity. Inside, an automatic movement ensures reliable precision, embodying the artistry of Swiss horology. The leather strap or steel bracelet adds versatility, providing both comfort and elegance to suit the wearer's style. Unlike sportier models, this watch is a pure dress piece, refined, discreet, and timeless. It carries enough water resistance for everyday use, though its true environment is the boardroom, formal events, and special occasions. The Baroncelli Heritage. Gent Automatic is a watch for men who appreciate tradition, culture, and the beauty of classic design. It doesn't chase trends, but instead delivers timeless sophistication that will look just as stylish decades from now. It's more than a watch, it's an heirloom, a refined companion that embodies elegance at its finest. Number 3, Commander Gradient Automatic. The Mido Commander Gradient Automatic takes the legacy of the Commander line and adds a daring modern twist. Its gradient dial fading from deep tones at the edges to lighter shades in the center gives the watch a striking contemporary personality. Paired with luminous hands and slim indices, it offers both visual flair and practicality, ensuring readability at any time. The stainless steel case has a refined yet robust build, complemented by an integrated bracelet that exudes sophistication. A sapphire crystal provides clarity and resilience, while the automatic movement inside delivers precision and reliability. Water resistance ensures durability for everyday wear, while the overall design makes it versatile enough for professional, formal, or casual occasions. This is a watch that attracts attention without being overly bold, a piece that balances creativity with elegance. For men who want something unique but still timeless, the Commander Gradient is an excellent choice. It's a modern reinterpretation of an icon, blending heritage with innovation in a way that feels fresh yet enduring. The Commander Gradient Automatic isn't just a timepiece, it's an expression of individuality, refinement, and confidence. Number 2, Ocean Star 39 Automatic. The Mido Ocean Star 39 Automatic is a perfect blend of diving heritage and modern versatility, designed for men who value both performance and elegance. At 39mm, its size makes it extremely wearable, striking the right balance between presence and comfort. The stainless steel case and unidirectional rotating bezel embody its diving roots, while its sleek profile ensures it pairs beautifully with formal or casual attire. The dial is crisp and legible, with luminous markers and hands that guarantee visibility in low light. A sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating enhances durability and clarity, while its automatic movement delivers the precision and reliability that define Mido's craftsmanship. Water resistance makes it a dependable partner for aquatic adventures, yet its refined design ensures it works seamlessly in urban settings. The bracelet adds robustness and comfort, complementing the overall aesthetic. The Ocean Star 39 Automatic is for men who want a single watch that does it all, rugged enough for adventure, yet sophisticated enough for professional life. It is understated luxury at its best, versatile, practical, and timeless. For those who value balance in design and function, this watch is a perfect fit. Number 1, Multifort TV Big Date Automatic. At the top of the list stands the Mido Multifort TV Big Date Automatic, a bold masterpiece that redefines modern watch design. Its standout feature is the large date display at 12 o'clock, giving it both character and practicality. The case shape, inspired by vintage TV screens, makes it instantly unique while remaining elegant and wearable. The dial is detailed, dynamic, and visually striking, enhanced by luminous markers and hands for optimal readability. A stainless steel case with fine finishing ensures durability, while the bracelet complements its bold personality with comfort and security. Inside, the automatic movement powers the big date function with Swiss precision, delivering both innovation and reliability. A sapphire crystal protects the dial, while water resistance ensures it can handle everyday life with ease. This watch embodies the Multifort philosophy: strong, distinctive, and versatile. It's not just a tool, but a statement of individuality and confidence. The Multifort TV Big Date Automatic is for men who want to stand out, combining heritage-inspired design with cutting-edge execution. As the number one pick, it represents everything Mido does best: timeless style, innovative features, and Swiss craftsmanship at its finest. And that's our roundup of the top 10 Mido watches for 2025. From timeless classics to innovative new designs, Mido proves once again why it's a favorite among watch enthusiasts worldwide. Which of these timepieces caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more watch reviews and countdowns. Thanks for watching, and remember, the right watch doesn't just tell time, it tells your story.